ready to transform the messy world of trading charts into your own personalized, data-driven paradise. Let's dive into Pine Editor. First, open TradingView and look at the bottom of your screen. You'll see the Pine Editor tab. Click it to open the editor. This is where the magic happens. You'll see some default code. This is the basic structure of a Pine script. Notice the version, which specifies the Pine script version, and the indicator function, which defines your script as an indicator. Feel free to clear the default code. Let's create a simple moving average indicator. Start by declaring an input for the length of the moving average, such as len equals imputant 20, title equals MA length. Then, calculate the moving average using mar equals tasma, close len. Finally, plot it on the chart with plot mar. Once you've written your code, click the Add to Chart button at the top right of the Pine Editor. This will apply your custom indicator to the current chart. If you encounter any errors, don't panic. Use the built-in debugger in the Pine Editor. It will highlight any syntax errors or runtime issues in your code. Check the console for error messages and use them to debug. Finally, if you're proud of your creation and want to share it with the TradingView community, click the Publish Script button. You can choose to make it private, public, or invite only. Be sure to provide a clear description and relevant tags.